Mobile dent repair services offer a convenient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution for fixing minor vehicle dents caused by hail, parking lot mishaps, or other minor incidents. Unlike traditional body shops, mobile dent repair technicians come to you and complete repairs in under an hour. Paintless Dent Repair removes dents without sanding, repainting, or fillers, preserving the original paint. PDR is faster and eliminates potential issues with color matching, though it is mainly suitable for minor dents without cracked paint or deep creases. Mobile dent repair services are also more affordable than conventional body shops due to lower overhead costs. Customers save 30%, 50% on average, especially when PDR is applicable. Furthermore, this repair process is environmentally friendly, reducing the use of chemicals and waste compared to traditional methods. The repair process typically involves an initial damage assessment, followed by on-site repairs that last 30 minutes to 2 hours. After completion, technicians perform a quality inspection, and many services provide warranties for their work. Payments are easy, with multiple options available. While ideal for small dents, mobile services may not handle extensive damage, so traditional body shops might be necessary. Mobile Dent Repair offers an efficient, high-quality alternative for restoring a car's appearance with minimal inconvenience. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.